What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to say thank you all for watching, thank you all for subscribing, and thank you guys for leaving your comments and helping out, throwing out, little things here and there that could possibly help you out. I've done a couple things regarding, whether it's my tailgate or, fender liners or whatever you guys have asked me to do. So I really appreciate that. So thank you very much for everyone that's chimed in and put in their 2 cents. I really appreciate all the help. This is going to be a little quick follow-up regarding my Multiflex tailgate. I've gotten some people that have already reached out and told me a couple things, basically to hardwire it to the existing latches, but the only issue on that is the whole thing's going to open up, and I don't want to do that every single time. I took it to the dealer and I got it back, and unfortunately, they basically told me that there's really nothing they can do right now. I kind of called BS on it because I don't want to push for it because my truck didn't come with it, and I don't want to pay the full amount right now. I want to make sure that they can completely do it before I even pay them any money. So we're going to hold off on that. What I have done is a kind of easy, quick little fix for now. I'm sure there's going to be a fix. I'm sure someone's going to find something, but there's got to be a way. So as for now, let me kind of give you guys a little idea of what I did. So let me show you again. Here you go. So I kind of I took this off. I replaced it and I put a new one because the one that was on there before was no bueno. The guy kind of used too much of it and used it as a truck. So I started working on it. I cut the BEDRUG so it would fix on here. Now, as you guys can see, or can you, my little latch releases. I don't know if you can see, but these right here are tied into the latches inside. And what they are, I just zip tied them. So let me just get one. Boom, I pull it out. I'm gonna get to the other one. There you go. What? I know, it's kind of cheesy, it's kind of corny for now, but at least it opens and does it whenever I want, not when it's gonna have to open it and close every single time. So for right now, whenever I need to do it, I manually open it up from the sides. So let me kind of show you how I do it. So this is kind of a little awkward shot. Ta-da! Here's the whole overview of everything. So everything works. Pop it up. Cleaned it up as best as I could. I'm probably gonna have to just do a little paint job because of all the stuff I was trying to pull these bad boys out, and I didn't do too good of a job of it. But let's just say I have some groceries, and my short arms and legs won't allow me to get to it. But you know what? I just go like this, and here I go. One right here, one right here. You basically tie that zip tie around the latch on the inside of each one of these, and ta-da. It's right here. I kind of cut it and made it so you can't see it. You just give it a little pull. That's my rig job for now. I know it kind of sucks. I know it's not what I wanted it to be, but eventually I'm sure somebody's gonna have to say something. Someone's gonna find out, make a bomb-ass harness. Someone's gonna know someone at the dealership that says, all you need to do is program this. But for right now, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna still try at the dealership. I'm still gonna do whatever I can to try to get this thing going. But for now, manual release. And you guys can do it too. Buy these bad boys. And as soon as I find out, trust me, I'm gonna let you guys know. I'll post a video, hey, this is what you need to do. If you make harnesses and you know how this works and you wanna promote your harness on here and say, hey, look, this is gonna guarantee, give you power and all that, I'll promote you, dude. I don't care, and send everybody your way so you can sell these harnesses and get everybody to buy these tailgates and make their trucks look that much better. Because to me, I love the way these tailgates look. And I know it's kind of cheesy, and you're like, oh, I can't really get in here, but look, just kind of like sit right here, do my little channel, talk to you guys, figure out like, hey, what's up? I know it's a gimmick, but you don't realize how you can use it for and what you can use it for. Even the step to get inside, even to kind of give you that extra little room to reach and get something inside of there. All that works. So try to find them, try to get one for you. That's all I gotta say. Now with that said, we got that out of the way. Pretty cool. I got some new lights for the back. Now, I already have them back here. I bought them, and I had a company called Auxito. I will go ahead and put a link so you guys can go ahead and check them out. They actually hit me up, which is very exciting because I didn't think that I would get anything from anyone, and they liked the content and they saw the traffic because of you guys, which I appreciate. And they said, hey, try some of our lights. And I'm like, okay, well, my Silverado already comes with LED lights in the front and all that other good stuff. The only place it doesn't have them is in the back by the tail lights. So the reverse tail light and the lights on right here on the license plate. So they said, okay, we'll send you some. And honest review is all we ask. So an honest review is what you're gonna get. Now, I'm gonna open these bad boys up. Okay, ooh, okay, they look good. They actually look clean. Bam, okay. So I'm assuming these are gonna be the ones for the reverse taillights. They're pretty damn clean. They look good. They don't look like those fake ones. I'm not gonna say fake, but I'm just saying like those aftermarket ones. Some of those last and then they start to blink and then they do that good old tweaker stuff and no bueno. So, and these are going to be for the license plate. And these look really, really good. Boom. So, you don't need to see my face anyways. So you got different ones. I will go ahead and post which ones they are. I'm gonna go ahead and swap them out. I'm gonna check to see. I'm gonna leave my old one in that I bought aftermarket as well, and I'm going to compare the two. So I'm going to see which one's brighter, which one looks better. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go ahead and remove these two screws right here. Bam, bam. Okay, very simple. Should be no way and no reason why you don't have one of those. You can go get one at your nearest Home Depot, Amazon, anywhere you can buy some sort of a tool that you need. Let's see. Oh, they even have them on the top too. Okay, let's check this out. So what you're gonna do is just kind of pry it out, and I'll compare it to what was in there too, so you can kind of see. But let me just swap it out real quick. So here we go. You guys get to see the honest review too, just to see what it looks like. Now, they are very similar, and this might be the same brand. For some, I'm sure it is, and these are a little bit more, but I don't know. See, because I don't remember. So this is the one I had on it before, okay? I'm sorry the lighting's kind of horrible, but let me get it up here for you guys. Sorry, do apologize. So this is what it looks like before what I had on there. So it's got the LEDs all the way around. Here's the LEDs on the inside. Here's the new one that they sent me. So got an LED on the top as well. I'm gonna go ahead, try these bad boys on, see what happens. Moment of truth. We are looking at the reverse lights on this one and this one, okay? So this is the one I had on prior, and this is the new one that I just put on from Auxito. So let's go ahead. Let's get it going. Okay. Very similar, but this one actually does look a lot brighter and cleaner. And I know you guys can't see it on, I'm sorry. LED lights are just not the best on video, but it does make a big difference on the clarity than the one on the right that I had on there prior. So one more time. Similar, but it just seems like it fills it up better. I don't know. Maybe because it's the less LEDs. It's still good though, guys. Very bright. At night, it clears the pathway for you and, you know, keeps those strangers away from your truck whenever you need to get in the back. So these are what's on here before. Let me go swap those bad boys out. These are a little dull. Let's get some good ones on there. How about it? Okay, so I took the old one off. Same one, old one's gonna be on the right, new one's gonna be on the left. This is the old one I took off. Let's get you some light again. Gosh, I'm horrible at this, guys. I'm sorry. Look at this little guy. So yeah, this is the before, and then magic. How'd I do that? I don't even know, guys. Look at this. You get your LEDs all the way around. You get the LEDs up on top. I think it's a lot more than that little bad boy I just kind of tossed. So magic again. Look at that. So look at one LED there, one LED there, and one on the top. No bueno. Let's go ahead and show you guys how it's going to look on a comparison. Close that up for you. All right, guys, here we go. You get those LEDs on the top again. Bam. Okay. Look at that compared to that. Big difference. Very, very bright compared to that little light. Night and day. Very, very night and day. I know it's not night right now, but even right now I can tell. I'm sure you can tell that that's the newer one, the Auxito one, and then this is the one I had prior. Way, way better. So I don't know, tell me what you guys think. My eyes are bad, then I guess I need new glasses, right? But so far, Auxito did well. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for sending me out a couple lights. You know, it'd be nice. And we're gonna go ahead and get you guys set up too. So if you guys need lights for your backup tail lights, if you need them for your license plate holders like I have, I'm gonna go ahead and put a link as to what you guys can do to save anywhere from, I believe it's 10 to 15%. They have a bunch of different vehicles, just like any other place. There's other stuff too on there, aftermarket stuff you can purchase as well. But I will put the link on in the description so you guys can take a look at that. So far, so good. Definitely take a look. So as I'm buttoning everything up, what did we learn today? Well, it's not always going to be plug and play. And if it's not, don't beat yourself down for it. There's always going to be people to help you out. Whether it is the half-ass way to find your way to open it up, which is the way I took, or you can go ahead and wire it up. Wiring I can do, but that means it's just going to open every single time. Do I want to do that? Right now, no. I'm going to wait. I have patience. I have faith in the community that somebody's going to find something and somebody's going to be able to pop something up and say, my dealership did this, or this is what needs to be done, and that will fix it. There's no way that the Chevy, GM, whatever, basically said that this is going to work for this truck and not for that truck. There can't be. There's got to be a way to do it, and we'll definitely find that. And when we do, we'll go ahead and post a video and get that going to you guys. As for the lights and everything, amazing. I'm actually very surprised, especially for the one down at the license plate. So it does make a difference, especially at night, guys. I'll try to post like a little video snippet towards the end so you can see what it's like. I'll do a little montage so you'll be able to see. But yeah, definitely take a look. You don't have to buy them. It's just something that they reached out to me and I gave my honest opinion and it went straight back to you. If they would have sucked, I would have told you guys. So LED lights are LED lights. Yes, you can get ones that look like this. And obviously not the best, but it will do the job. Or you can get a nice little upgrade like these, which are going to be a lot better and a lot brighter and definitely going to help you out. They're not going to break the bank, but they're definitely going to help your truck look a little bit better than the basic one out there. So guys, do what you need to do. As for this tailgate, I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to let you guys know what's up. I'm going to keep you guys in the loop, I guess you can say, and we'll figure it out. I got a lot of people that are trying to help me out. I got people that are sending me like, hey, did you do this? Hey, did you do that? And there's a lot of stuff that I've done, a lot of them that I'm contemplating about doing that I've saw. So we will go ahead and keep it posted, and we'll let you know. So as for now, tighten these bad boys up. Torque to spec, hand tight. And yeah, that's all we do. So guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead, subscribe. I'm gonna do my best to, like I said, to try to keep as much content as I can. My truck's been in the shop for a week and it was such a waste. Nothing got done. I gotta send it back in this week. It's gonna be gone probably even longer. That's holding me back on content, and I know it sucks, but I'm gonna do my best to try to get whatever I can out as fast as I can. But I really appreciate the comments. I really appreciate everybody trying to help me out and reaching out. So please keep doing that. If you find anything, please let me know. I will. John, thank you for reaching out. That's one guy who emailed me and said, hey, you know, I got one too. This is what I did. Maybe you should try that. I appreciate it. Please, guys, keep reaching out. Do whatever you can. Let's help each other out. I will post it, whatever I can. So everybody, God bless. Have yourself a great day. Smile. Be kind to another. And let's help each other out, guys. Peace.